Unpopular opinion. If you can't register on SAM on your own because the process is too confusing, then you probably don't deserve to win a contract with the government, because its whole landscape is confusing and you need to be able to figure it out on your own. I mean, look at what you're doing right now. You're taking the initiative to research and watch videos about this topic, so you're clearly interested. Why not take the initiative by registering in SAM.gov? It costs you nothing. The SAM.gov website is a website that you, the owner of the small business, should familiarize yourself with. You need to be able to navigate this site. You need to understand what you are registering for. You need to have the flexibility to make updates on your SAM registration whenever you want. You need to have full control over it. All of this just so you can land your first contract. It costs absolutely $0 to register your company in SAM.gov. That's right. If you're thinking about paying a consultant $200, $300, $400 for a SAM registration, you probably should not. You're going to be paying hundreds of dollars for something that takes 30 minutes to do. Now, as a consultant who offers SAM registrations as one of my services, I can honestly tell you not to waste your money on this service. But I can't blame the consultants. We're providing a service and it does take some work to complete this registration. However, it just doesn't make sense to pay someone for a SAM registration. There's plenty of information out there. Blogs, posts, videos, groups, articles. Also, if you're starting a SAM registration, you're probably new to the space, which means you are in your learning phase. Absorb everything you see, every site you go to like a sponge. Learn everything about the SAM.gov website, because you will visit that site again and again and again. Paying for a SAM registration will do you a disservice. The federal government even offers you a free help desk that guides you along your registration. They are there to help you, and remember, it's in their best interest to get you registered, because the more people that are registered means more competition, which means lower prices for them to pay, which means you save the government some money. So they should be thanking you for registering. Don't forget to tell them you're welcome. Although most of us started this journey to make money, don't miss out on the learning process. Take the extra minutes to figure out what you're actually applying for, learn the fundamentals, explore the website. I know it's boring, I know it's not sexy, I know it's time consuming, and I know the content is bland. But the faster you can navigate the site, you will be so much further ahead than the competition.